Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily use all the bottom buttons near the power LED light. So as you can see, here we have three buttons below the power button, with the button which is the below power LED light. We can power off and on our monitor. Let's turn this monitor on. Let's wait a moment. Now it's turned on, and apart from that we have these two buttons which are here, and with this we can increase and decrease our brightness level. We can assign these buttons for our own needs. Check it on our YouTube channel because I recorded a video for it. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!